Okay, so let's take a look at the first play that we're going to run if we're playing four out. So recall that for four out, there's one post player, in this case, player five, on the left block. Um, and so, in terms of how this play is going to go, there are some screens involved. There's actually three screens that you're going to have to notice. So I'm just going to run the play. It's going to go kind of fast, and then I'm going to dissect the play and talk about each action that's in the play. Um, okay, so let's just have a look at what's happening in this play. So player one starts with the ball. Player four makes a screen. Player five also makes a screen. Player one cuts. Player four cuts. There's another additional screen done by player three, and then player two ends up in the right corner, and player four passes to player two. So there's a lot going on. So I'm going to go over this one more time. You probably didn't get much of that. Okay, so watch out for the what you need to be aware of is the screens. There's three screens, and the cuts towards the basket are the most important here. Okay, so player one is basically going to call for well, it's going to call this play and it's going to call for a screen. So player four starts off setting a screen. Okay, and then player five sets the screen for player four. Player one cuts to the basket, passes to player four. Player three sets a screen for player two. Player two runs to the right corner, expecting a pass from player four. Now, if player four is open, then obviously there's no need for player four to pass to player two, right? The player four would just make a layup or floater, make a higher percentage shot. Um, okay, so I'm going to play this one more time. So screen, another screen by player five. Player one passes to player four. Also, there's a screen done by player three to get player two free and making player two go to the right corner and hopefully get an open shot. Okay, and so yeah, that's gonna be our first play when we're playing four out.